So, tuloy-tuloy lang natin yung cut para maging maayos ang lahat. Ayan na, nakagawa na ako ng 4. Tingnan nyo. Wow! Hey everyone, this is Miss Listan. Today in this video, we're going to do a craft for our DIY farewell banner. It's a small project only for our special person to say goodbye as we all graduated in our school in this month. So, gagawa po tayo ng maliit lang naman na presentation para at least mapasaya natin ang ating kagalang-galang na guro. So, ayan, balon po yan, kakaiba, parang munay. At lalagyan natin siya ng star, which is nakadikit na siya sa dingding ko. So, ito nga pala, magkakat na tayo ng ating materials. So, by the way, I bought this cardboard for just 10 dirham, 8 pieces inside. Hindi naman siya gano'ng kakapal, sakto lang din siya. Yung parang cartoon, makikita mo yung cartoon na normal cartoon lang. Parang ganun siya, pero ginawa siyang twist. Kaya may paint siya na ganyan, glitters or something shiny. So, una natin gagawin ay mag-cut nito and create a background first. A background for the cardboard. Now, we will write it here so that hindi natin makalimutan yung spelling ng ating gagawin. So, ayan, magsisimula na ako ng cut nito ng ganyan ang style niya. Para siyang tag, price tag something. So, ayan, nagawa ko na siyang parang mga price tag, yung purple or violet, what you call that color, and the silver. So, yan ang tawag ko dyan is the background. Kasi gagawan ko pa yan ng alphabet or yung mga letters na ilalagay ko, which is the farewell, 8 alphabet. So, now, magsisimula na naman tayo ng cutting ng ating alphabet. I choose the gold one so that it would be emphasized against the background. So, tuloy-tuloy lang natin yung cut para maging maayos ang lahat. Ayan na, nakagawa na ako ng 4. Tingnan nyo. Wow! At ngayon naman, dito na naman tayo sa silver. Gagawa na naman tayo ng baliktad na kulay, which is yung purple na naman ang ating ipaibabaw. I'm not good in cutting, especially for W. Look at that. So, for short, guys, I made a small hole to make it the thing like this. Look at that. So, ito yung ginawa kong pangtali, guys. Binutasan ko siya ng tig-2 butas each tag para may lagay natin siya ng ganito. So, the next thing to do is to put this alphabet on each background tag. Gagamitan po natin siya ng glue or stick glue. And there you go. Look at that. Ayusin pa natin yung paglagay na hindi malaglag. Napaka-durable niya, guys. In fairness, super durable to stick in on this background from the alphabet. I like to use the stick glue, which is really so sticky. And it will dry so fast as well. So, ayan, tuloy-tuloy lang natin. Let's continue and keep it everything are perfectly stick in this background tag. So, bahala na kayo kung anong tawag niya dyan. Basta ako yun tawag ko. Charot. So, ayan na. Natapos ko na siya. We're done for this thing. Look at the W. I don't know how to cut properly on W, but that's it. That's fine. Still, you can emphasize the word farewell. Now, let's go to cut another thing, which is the letter B, 1 and 9. So, yan lamang po. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps a little and give you some idea on how you create DIY farewell banner, even the graduation banner, or whatsoever banner you'd like to do. This creative way is very simple and very cheap. You don't need to spend so much money for just a simple banner for your loved ones or any small celebration. Thank you for watching, and that's all in this video. Bye for now. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel or watch more videos. Click right here.